Ever wondered how the food on your plate impacts the health of your heart? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? Well, today, we're diving into the heart of a delicious, comforting, and heart-healthy dish that not only tantalizes the taste buds, but also keeps your ticker in top shape. Imagine a dish that combines the warmth of comfort food with the benefits of heart-healthy ingredients. Yes, it exists, and it's easier to prepare than you might think. It's time to explore a recipe that can lower your blood pressure and keep your heart happy. We're starting with a base of whole grains. Think quinoa, brown rice, or whole grain pasta. These grains are rich in fiber, which helps lower your cholesterol levels and keeps your heart functioning smoothly. To cook the grains, bring a pot of water to a boil, add your chosen grain, reduce the heat, and let it simmer until tender. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Next, we're adding in a colorful array of vegetables. Think bell peppers, broccoli, or carrots, whatever your heart desires. Vegetables are packed with vitamins and minerals that support heart health. To prepare the vegetables, wash them under running water, chop them into bite-sized pieces, and steam them until they're tender but still vibrant. Steaming preserves the nutrients and makes the vegetables easier to digest. Now, let's talk protein. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, or tofu are great choices for heart health. They're low in saturated fat and high in essential nutrients. To cook your protein, season it with your favorite spices. Then bake, grill, or sauté it until it's done. Remember to avoid deep frying, as it can increase your intake of unhealthy fats. The secret to a heart-healthy dish lies in the seasoning. Instead of reaching for the salt shaker, opt for herbs and spices like garlic, turmeric, or rosemary. These add flavor without increasing your sodium intake, which can raise your blood pressure. Now, combine your cooked grains, vegetables, and protein in a large bowl. Give it a good mix, and your heart-healthy comfort food is ready to serve. To sum up, we've created a comforting, delicious dish that is also good for your heart. We started with whole grains, added a variety of vibrant vegetables, included lean protein, and seasoned it all with heart-healthy herbs and spices. The result is a dish that lowers your blood pressure, keeps your heart healthy, and satisfies your comfort food cravings. So the next time you're in the kitchen, remember this recipe. It's not just food. It's a delicious, comforting, heart-healthy choice that can make a real difference in your well-being. Enjoy!